Are you searching for a brand new home that's move-in ready? You're in the right place. Today I'm excited to showcase the incredible Trevi Model by Lennar, part of the Executive Series, located in the brand new Willow gated community in South Punta Gorda. This stunning home features 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 luxurious bathrooms, a 2-car garage, a private guest suite, an oversized quartz kitchen island, and even a beautiful heated swimming pool and spa. Everything you need to start living your best life here in Southwest Florida. Welcome aboard. I'm Cessna, your Cape Coral and Punta Gorda realtor. And if you're thinking about buying a new construction home in this area, I'd love to guide you through the process. Here's why working with me is your smartest move. Not only will you pay nothing for my services, but you'll actually put extra money in your pocket at the end of the day. Now I'm going to go and review all the contracts for you, make sure they're in your best interest. I'm going to oversee the build process and keep you up to date with how it's progressing along. And also, once we get to the end, I'm going to make sure that everything is done 100% to your liking. Here's an added bonus. When you register with me in the description below, you're going to lock in that $500 gift card, the Home Depot gift card that I'm going to give you at closing to help you start living that life. Now let's step inside and take a closer look at the beautiful home here in the Willow gated community. Willow offers an upscale lifestyle with amazing amenities like pickleball courts, a resort style pool, and even more. Now, if a gated community isn't your thing, don't worry. You can also purchase this incredible home in Cape Coral, where you'll enjoy no HOA fees while still experiencing the luxury and comfort of this model. Now, are you ready to see what could be your Florida dream home? Let's go ahead and take a look inside.